YouTube. This Chance over here at Main Street. So we got a couple areas. One big master bedroom. Got a hallway, some staircases, and the room's pretty small. They're not that big. We're gonna take a trip downstairs. So you can see this carpet kind of worn out. So today I'm basing the rooms off 200 square feet. I can do this one like that, but I'm not gonna do that. So we got master bedrooms, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas, and we have the staircase. So I'm getting ready to get ahead. I'm getting ready to get started. So tune back in with y'all. So we don't have the vacuum. Client already vacuumed prior to coming, so you can see some of the vacuum lines. So I'm gonna spray some of my pre-spray. And I need to get that electric one. I had one, but hose got ruined. Still got it. And what you want to do is just make sure you spray evenly. And I'm gonna show you the next process. All right, so the next thing we're about to do, I'll finish the next spray. We're using this Power Flight. So I had a guy comment on my page and say, get a CRB. Well, this machine does the same thing as a CRB. I actually have 2 brushes, one in the front and one in the back. So it does the same thing as a CRB. So I'm gonna get started with this and show you what this machine actually does. Here we go. So it does the same thing as a CRB. It's called a Power Flight. And what I'll do, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can actually find one of these. And you see this dog here coming up. The lady does have pet issues, but a pet, but she's not dealing with any pet urine. Okay, so now y'all remember this room. Before we scrubbing, I scrub. Look how much dog hair we actually got up out the carpet. So that machine works wonders. So don't let no one discourage you, telling you what you need. Don't listen to these people. Some people are just not informed or educated enough to tell you what you should do. I actually took this course with Green Rhino. So the Green Rhino coaching is a step-by-step process. I'll tell you what you need, what you should do in any scenario. All right, so by agitating the steps, I almost forgot to get this video here. So I got a drill with a brush. You can get these brush attachments from AutoZone. They're like $25. Get you a drill. I'm using the Black & Decker. And I got the charger that comes with this, so I can keep it in the van as I'm riding. So you want to keep this charged up. Never know what you're gonna run into. So agitate these steps. So same thing I did with the CRB, I'm doing this with the staircase. Like you see that spot there? Make sure you get that lip real good of the staircase. And that's what you do. But we sprayed before we did this too.